Hello ladies and gentlemen, notsosolidsnake here with another exciting YouTube tutorial. First off, I'd like to apologize for the background noise. It's storming pretty bad outside. Today, I'll be showing you how to disable Cortana in Windows 10. The first thing you want to do to disable Cortana is to right-click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Inside of Settings, you'll see an option for Cortana. In the settings for Cortana, make sure everything is toggled to off. You'll also see on the left side there's a few more menus. Make sure to check in those as well. Now we can get rid of the Cortana icon on the bottom of the computer where the search bar is. Right-click on the taskbar and then hover over where it says Cortana, and then click on Hidden. Okay. The final thing we'll be doing to disable Cortana is editing the registry. To do that, go ahead and click on the Start menu, and then we're just going to start typing to search. We're going to search for regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T, and then click on regedit at the top, and then when this box pops up, just hit yes. The first thing you'll do is back up your registry, just in case something goes wrong. So we'll click Computer at the top, and then click on File, Export, and then you can choose where you want to save it and what you want to call it, the saved file. After that's all done, click on the little arrow next to each key local machine. Look for Software, look for Policies, and then look for Microsoft. Right-click on Microsoft, and then we're going to create a new key called Windows Search. Right-click on the new key you just made. Select New, D-Word 32-bit value, and we're going to name it Allow Cortana. All one word, make sure there's no space. And after we hit enter, Cortana is going to be completely disabled.